Lunchly, the most controversial product of whole 2024. If you are not so active on the internet or social media, let me introduce you to MrBeast, KSI, and Logan Paul's new product, Lunchly. Originally, Lunchly was made as the healthier version of the kids' favorite product, Lunchables. However, internet's most critics and influencers are not so happy with the nutritional values of this product and the stupid excuses of MrBeast and Logan on Twitter or X, so let's dive in the beef of Lunchly and understand why it might not be the best choice for your kids. First of all, let's talk about Lunchable, the competitor of Lunchly. Lunchable is quite popular among kids for years. It's a kind of prepackaged self-made meal. A normal box of Lunchable contains some crackers, deli meats, cheese treats, and some juice, which is Capri Sun. But the problem is that it is a UPF, that means it's ultra-processed food, and the nutritional values of Lunchables are on the ground. It has high sodium and a high value of saturated fats and added sugars. I know you do want to have such lunch for your kids, and our trio also thought that this is not good for kids. We should make a new product. MrBeast, KSI, and Logan Paul made the Lunchly, which contains similar things, but MrBeast's Feastable and KSI and Logan Paul's Prime Hydration drink was a new addition. If you visit Lunchly's website, you can clearly see a tab named US vs Them, which shows the comparison of Lunchly and Lunchable. If you see, the proteins are amounts similar, and Lunchly has fewer calories, but sodium is missing. Instead, it is replaced with electrolytes, which are all in Prime Hydration and have less sugar than Lunchables. If you compare Lunchable with Lunchly, Lunchly wins. In every aspect, it has less sugar, which reduces calories. Lunchable has Capri Sun, which uses sugar, thus more calories, and Prime uses artificial sweeteners, thus less calories. Lunchly's cheese seems to be more real and high quality, so we can conclude that Lunchly is more healthy, but it's like comparing vape with cigarettes. Cigarettes are harmful and vape is less harmful, but both are harmful. Same goes with Lunchly and Lunchables, because both are ultra-processed foods that are not so good. If we compare Lunchly nutrition values with USDA's new guidelines, students should have less than 10% saturated fat, but Lunchly have 30%. According to guidelines, students need at least 700 calories, and Lunchly have only 230 calories in their Turkey Stack'ems pack. So to complete the needed calories, kids need to eat 3 packets of Lunchly, but if they eat 3 boxes of Lunchly, they would get about 1,300 milligrams sodium, and that is also above USDA's lunch guidelines, so kids can have fewer calories or more sodium, thus a complete failure. So I think that Lunchly is good for taste and as a YouTuber product, but not as good to give to your kids. Every day is lunch, so kids be responsible and eat those veggies and be more healthy.